Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how you can test against local applications. I've got a really sophisticated example here of a local application. This one's obviously just got a couple of form elements, but this is coming obviously running off of my laptop, so local environment. Now in Virtuoso, we are hosted in the cloud. So by nature, by default, we can't out of the box connect to the laptop. But what we can do is enable you to run our bridge client. And we do have a video on running the bridge client. What this enables you to do is create effectively a tunnel. So if I run this on my laptop, so I can run our bridge client with a token, giving it a name, that is run on my laptop, which creates a tunnel, which then Virtuoso can connect to. So I've gone ahead and created the bridge client. Now for testing on local applications, I'm on a Mac, so to be able to test on the browser applications, which is using local files, I'll also need to open a new tab and then run a Python command to create a simple HTTP server, which I'm doing now. And that gives me also my IP details and the port. So now what I can do in Virtuoso is go ahead and create a new goal, which will be local app test plan. And then I'm going to be using HTTP and then 0.0.0 and 8000, which are based on the details, HTTP and the IP and the port from my HTTP server. And then my demo web app is sitting in my documents folder. So you can see documents and it's called demo web app HTML. So let's go ahead and take that file name. So then I can say documents and demo web app.html. And then all I need to do now is go into the environment settings of the goal and pick the bridge. And that creates the connection between Virtuoso and the bridge. And you can see now that I have the local application running through Virtuoso's test. And then, for instance, I could come in and say, write James in first name, and then write B in last name. And therefore, effectively, I mean, this is a very simple test, but I'm able to utilize Virtuoso's natural language to perform functional UI end-to-end and integration testing on local applications, where using the bridge and an address to direct to the local host and the files to load that application, I can perform those tests.